A girl from a small town can learn English, start a business, or inspire millions through her ideas. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Zakia, daughter of Ahmad Hussain, studying in 9th class in Jamia, ummul qura and Dunyavi Education School. Respected teachers, beloved friends, and to every girl listening me today. Dear girls, don't lose yourself to the screen. Today I stand before you not to blame social media, but to awaken every girl's heart. A heart that was created to shine, not to scroll. A heart that was created to inspire, not to impress. The reality of our time. Sisters, we live in a time where our worth is being measured by followers, where our beauty is being filtered by apps, and our confidence is being stolen by comparison. A girl's happiness used to come from her dreams, her family, her friends, and her prayers. But today, her happiness depends on how many people liked her photo. We have forgotten who we are. We are not content to be consumed. We are souls meant to be respected. The reality of our time, the good side when we use it wisely. Yes, social media can be a blessing. It can teach us, connect us, and improve us. A girl from a small town can learn English, start a business, or inspire millions through her ideas. It can be a platform for education. The dark side when it controls us. Dear sisters, the some platform that gives us wings can also cut them, because when we chase attention, we lose intention. When we chase validation, we forget our value. How many girls have fallen into traps of fake friendship, fake love, and fake promise online? How many bright minds have gone silent because of bullying, comparison, or heartbreak that started on a screen? One wrong photo, one wrong chat, one wrong trust, and a lifetime of regret begins. An emotional wake-up call. My dear sisters, your beauty is not your face, it's your faith. Your worth is not in comments, it's your in character. Your identity is not in your display picture, it's in your decency. The world tells you to show yourself, but your creator tells you to protect yourself. You are not ordinary, you are a pearl, protect in a shell, a diamond covered with respect, a flower that blooms with modesty. The protection every girl deserves. Don't think protection limits you, my dear. It guards your purity, your peace, and your power. A girl under the love and care of her parents, brothers, and guardians is not weak. She is safe, and safety is not a cage. The protection every girl deserves. Don't think protection limits you, my dear. It guards your purity, your peace, and your power. A girl under the love and care of her parents, brothers, and guardians is not weak. She is safe, and safety is not a cage. It is a comfort, a cover, and a crown. Islam teaches that the most beautiful woman is the one whose beauty is seen in her character, not in her camera. A message to every girl around the world. So today, I speak not just for myself. I speak for every girl sitting in her room crying over a hateful comment. For every girl comparing her life with others. For every girl who has forgotten her worth because of a glowing screen. Dear sisters, put your phone down for a moment. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am more than likes, I am more than comments, I am a queen who does not need approval. Use social media to learn, to grow, to shine in the noise of the world. As girls of wisdom, not fashion. As girls of purpose, not pressure. As girls of faith, not fame. Let us use social media as a bridge to success. Because you, my sister, are not created to impress the world. You are created to change it. Thank you with a message to every girl in every corner of the world. Don't lose your shine to the screen. Let your value be your spotlight. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.